Another keyboard added to my collection of keyboards. This is the Yunzii C75 cake keyboard. Oh wow, this is yunzii. I'm starting to be offended because this is my third keyboard and it never came with the big envelope like this, and this cute mouse pad. It's a cake mouse pad. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know, I want to know how it sounds, but this is, I feel like an influencer. Okay, so inside we have our directions. We have this cake that says to, so it's basically a gift to myself, yay. And then we have these stickers. How cute. This is so cute. I love this. Okay, but this is my favorite. And they were playing. This is nice and creamy. Nice sounds. And then of course some extra. I'm going to switch out my white C-type cord to this. Ooh, she lights up like a beauty. I love the hearts on here. Oh, so pretty. I love how this keyboard lights up.